Next example, contact process for the manufacture of sulfuric acid. Synthesis of sulfur trioxide. In this contact process used for the manufacture of sulfuric acid, sulfur trioxide is synthesized by the combination of sulfur dioxide and oxygen. Sulfur dioxide combines with oxygen and forms sulfur trioxide, which is a reversible reaction. Suppose A moles of sulfur dioxide, small a, moles of sulfur dioxide and small b moles of oxygen are taken in a closed vessel of volume capital V liters. And suppose x moles of oxygen are used up in the reaction till equilibrium. It is attained, as it is evident from the above equation, 1 mole of oxygen. We are taking only x, that is why we are taking oxygen. X moles of oxygen should combine with 2x moles of sulfur dioxide and gives 2x moles of sulfur trioxide. That is what it is going to explain. As it is evident from the above equation, 1 mole of oxygen combines with 2 moles of sulfur dioxide and forms 2 moles of sulfur trioxide. Therefore, x moles of oxygen will combine with 2x moles of sulfur dioxide and form 2x moles of sulfur trioxide. Thus, applying the law of mass action and law of chemical equilibrium, we are going to derive the equation. 2SO2 plus O2 reversible arrow gives 2SO3, that is sulfur trioxide. Equation number 1. Now, initial number of moles of sulfur dioxide is A and oxygen is B. Initially there is no sulfur trioxide, therefore it is 0. At equilibrium, the number of moles of A is A minus X and oxygen is B minus X and sulfur trioxide is 2X. Now, at equilibrium, the concentration of all the three, that is concentration of SO2 is equal to A minus X by V. Concentration of oxygen is B minus X by V. Concentration of SO3 is 2x by V. Applying the law of mass action and equilibrium, Kc is equal to concentration of SO3 raised to the power 2 divided by concentration of SO2 raised to the power 2 into concentration of oxygen. Substituting the values of concentration, Kc is equal to 2x by V raised to the power 2. A minus 2x by V raised to the power 2. B minus x by V. On simplifying this equation, you should get 4x squared V divided by A minus 2x raised to the power 2 into B minus x. With the help of equation number 3, the effect of variation of different factors we can discuss. And in the textbook there is a mistake. The numerator it is written 4x cubed. Please do the correction. Effect of changing pressure. An increase in pressure leads to the decrease in volume, that is V. Under this condition, in order to keep K constant only when the value of X increases, thus more oxygen will combine with more SO2 and form more SO3. In other words, an increase in pressure favors the formation of sulfur trioxide. 2. Effect of changing concentration. An increase in the concentration of SO2 and O2 will increase the values of A and B. Consequently, the denominator will increase. Under this condition, to keep K constant, the value X should increase. Hence, an increase in the concentration of SO2 and O2 will favor the formation of sulfur trioxide. Therefore, increase in pressure and increase in the concentration will favor the reaction. Here, assignments are given for you. Two assignments are given, one for determining the equilibrium constant, the other for determining the concentration. Mathematical calculations and all comes. If you have any doubt regarding the mathematical calculation, please consult your maths teacher.